shape then, Ron, to be able to do all this.
Better shape than I am.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Got none of that.
Oh. It's because you're sitting in the truck.
That's right.
It's a job hazard.
Oh, the
Where's
bubs.
Scruffy? Where's Scruffy?
He's upstairs, staying away from this.
Oh, look. Oh, they're mouthing each other. Oh, look at that. Mouthing. Oh, look at Honey mouthing. Paw right in the face.
Yeah.
No sniffing.
No dirty girl sniff. Oh, she got
That's a dirty girl sniff. No.
Ron's video editing.
Okay, so Honey is the one that taught Susie how to use her bum.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely.
You see that
First
quite a...
weekend we got here.
Look, they're pretending to bite each other with the jaw. Look, she's pretending to bite her.
So when I'm on my way to Susie's house and I roll the window down, as soon as we turn onto London Street, Susie knows where we're going.
Really?
Is it London or Kingston? Kingston. Yeah, as soon as we turn onto Kingston, she knows where we're going and her tail starts to wag.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at these go. You see the mouthing and the playing? It was like.
See the bum maneuver there? It's patented.
It's like two kids, right? They have somebody watching them and they're like playing. Get her. Get her. Get her. You know how your kids act up, eh? When they're, oh, you gonna get me?